High blood pressure is also known as hypertension. It is a common condition in which the force with which blood pumps against your artery walls is high. High blood pressure can cause some health problems like heart attack, heart disease, kidney failure, even stroke. High blood pressure is determined by the amount of blood your heart pumps and then the resistance to blood flow in your arteries. Your blood pressure is always high when blood pumps in greater amount, and then when there is a resistance of blood flow in your arteries because of what? The force with which the blood pumps against the arteries will make the artery to be becoming what? Narrower, instead of the artery to be in normal shape so that the blood will be flowing easily and then with the rate with which it needs to be flowing. But when the blood flow has high force, high pressure, it will make the arteries to be becoming what? Narrower. And then when it becomes narrower, the force with which the blood will be pumping against the artery wall will now be higher, and this will result into what we term what? High blood pressure. A blood pressure monitor will always have two important numbers. What are those two important numbers? We have this first one, which is 120, and then this 80 here. Okay, so these two important numbers, the first one here, which is 120, is taken to be what? Systolic pressure. That is the top number. Now the lower number, or the second number here, which is 80, is taken to be what? Diastolic pressure. So this 120 here, which is the systolic pressure, measures the amount of pressure in your arteries when the heart beats, while this second one, which is known as diastolic pressure, measures the amount of pressure in your arteries between beats. When do you know that your blood pressure is high? When this systolic pressure is more than 120, and then when the diastolic pressure is more than 80. That is when you will know that your blood pressure is high. So my people, you can buy this machine, keep it at home, and now you have to be checking your blood pressure by yourself with this machine or the blood pressure monitor. So once you dictate and find out that you have your blood pressure to be high, then you have to work with your doctor in order to control the high blood pressure.